head, don't know what to say. Stop and run around, oh you act like a kid. I am not your mama, just admit what you did. I got enough to...
Good morning, you guys. So y'all, today is the day. Today is the day, okay? I said I was gonna start back working out, and today. Okay, so I just pulled up at this little park situation, and girl, it's some people out here, but they old. So I'm about to go like walk around or whatever with the old people. Just kind of get myself used to working out again. I always start off by like walking because I ease my way into it. Cause if I go too hard, I ain't coming back. And that's just that on that, okay? And then the sun is actually shining today. It's been raining like every single day. I mean like every single day, okay? So the sun is actually shining today. It's a really good day. I'm claiming that it's gonna be a good day, all those things. And yeah, it's a good day to start. So I'm gonna start today, and I think I'm gonna sign up for the gym like today too, but I'm just gonna start doing this like right now so I can ease my way back into it, if it makes sense. Anywho, I'm gonna see how this goes. If I don't like it here, I ain't coming back, because that's just what I do. But it's just a park. But it's a lot of ducks out here, y'all, and them ducks be wanting to fight, and I don't want to fight. Not today. I ain't had no energy drink, no coffee, no nothing today, so pray for me, okay? Pray for me. Y'all, the sweat, okay? It's the sweat. Oh my gosh, I really feel like I need to go home and shower. Like, I really do need to go home and shower. However, y'all, I just don't have time. Like, I need to be like the first thing smoking at H&M, okay? I need to go to H&M because Tim started his new job today, and he needs some work pants or whatever. He had gotten used to like just wearing like his little athletic kind of collar shirts or whatever, and like some little regular pants, honestly, not jeans, but like some little, I don't even know what you call them. Like, you don't call them khakis. They're not khakis necessarily. I don't know. Anyway, he had got used to wearing those, which he's still gonna be wearing the same thing. He just wants them a little bit more stylish, I guess you could say. I don't know how to put it. He wants them a little bit more, I'm dressing up going into the office now kind of look, you know? Anyway, yeah, so we're gonna make a trip to H&M. Man, I want to go shower so bad. I just don't have the time right now. I just I'm riding with the windows down. I hope I like dry off or something, because this is ridiculous. And then the puff, baby, where you at? Where you at? My edges screaming for dear life, like, girl. Somebody's off work early today. Say hi to him. You not speaking? You gonna do them like that? You got attitude today, y'all.
Is this my turn?
No, it's down here by those
What's the name of the street?
But yeah, we had to just go get new driver's license, y'all. First of all, I ain't never took a driver's license picture with my real hair, I don't think, ever. Even my last Florida license I had weave. I don't think I ever took a driver's license picture with my real hair. And then they like right here in my face on the picture. She ain't cute, y'all. She is not cute, okay? I don't know what's going on. I think my hair taking up most of the picture. I don't know what's going on. But yeah. So we handling business today or right now or whatever. And we still got some stuff to do. First of all, second I guess it wouldn't be first. We don't have our washer and dryer yet, so we need to go to the laundromat. He ain't about to be trying to hear that either, but we need to go to the laundromat, okay? And yeah, we need to buy some food because we hungry. Neither one of us have eaten today at all. But yeah, we still doing like stuff for the kids' schools and all that stuff too. We had 30 days to do it, and we gotta be tapping on at least 20, like at this point. So yeah, we gotta get this stuff done, and then we'll see. So y'all, we're in Publix right now about to get a sandwich, right? But listen, these two right here, this right here, and some watermelon. If Publix don't ever sell anything else, I'm good. Y'all, we just left out of Publix, and when I say they have pumpkin spice everything, it's pumpkin spice everything in it. How I'm supposed to get fine under these conditions? It's only August. Like, it's almost September though. Tomorrow, September 1st. However, pumpkin spice everything. But every year after my birthday though, like, I be waiting on fall at the door, okay? What's going on? But yeah, every year after my birthday, I be waiting on fall at the door. Like, when you coming? Cause we ready, okay? We ready for pumpkin spice everything. We ready for... How am I supposed to get fine in these conditions, y'all? That's the only thing about like cold weather for me. Like, it's hard for me to eat right because I be wanting all the cupcakes, the pumpkin spice lattes, and just pumpkin spice everything, okay?
Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know. Say, where are you? Where are you? Don't be so hard to reach. Just pick up your phone. Tell me where you be, cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, cause I made reservations. Too many invitations, and the last night was heavy. I need communication. Tell me where's your location. Used to talk 24/7, every other second, just to make sure we were up to date. Now it's closer to 11, and I ain't hearing nothing. I just need to know that you're okay.
Okay, y'all, so one of Tim's friends is like, he has like a shoe brand, and yeah, we ordered some shoes, so we're gonna see what they looking like. I'm gonna place the information down here on the screen if you guys like them. Brand is called Crazy 8. Oh, I'm excited.
Don't be the friends to buy their shoes after they made it, then ask for a discount. Support them early.
Facts. Big facts. They weren't playing with that wrapping, huh? Nobody getting up in there. Oh, they look big. Did you give me the right size?
I have to look.
They look kind of big. I have to make sure that this is my size, but these are cute. I like these, y'all. Okay. Yeezy who? Okay. Those are tough too. Let me see the top. Oh yeah, I like that. Look at the top. Oh, okay, Crazy 8. Y'all, so Tim tried his on. They look so good. Like, what? Okay. Yeah. Mine are a little bit big, but they do look good still. Like, they some tough little sneakers. They just big on me. So I think I might have to, yeah, I'm gonna have to exchange mine and get another size. But other than that, get into it, y'all.